Hey y'all, I'm back with a different type of plates, and I just found out something about these plates that I did not know previously. They have a film over it. Remember, I did this one. It's actually a film that you're supposed to take off. And I had no idea there was a film on here. That's crazy. So what I'm gonna attempt to do on this next one, we're gonna take that film off. We're gonna see if we can take that film off. This one. Got to print out Epson 5 F570, and then we got, say it's a piece of plastic on here. So let's try to take this piece of plastic off. That's what it said. I don't see it. Take my time. Try to get it off. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So I'm gonna get my picker tool, and I'm gonna try to attempt to take it off. If it's even on here, because I ordered this plate off Amazon, so it's possible that it don't have that on there. And of course, I don't see no plastic on here. Live on TV. What y'all crafting tonight? Anybody else crafting tonight? I got a few shirts to do, but I don't think there's no plastic on here, y'all. Say it is, I just don't see it. Well, the instructions didn't say it was. I seen somebody else's video. But as y'all probably know about Amazon's sublimation blanks, I'll tell you, Amazon be lying. Yeah, I don't think there's no plastic on here, y'all. I really don't. I don't see no plastic on here. I tried. I scratched a couple sides up even to see. Let me see. Yeah, ain't no plastic on there, y'all. Again, these is Amazon blanks, so I don't see no plastic on here, y'all. I think they'd have peeled up already, if it was. So I'm gonna say it ain't no plastic on here. So I'm gonna wipe it off and see what it do. Make sure you get your fingerprints off after you played with it. That's important also. We're gonna try this and see. All right. Let me get my props parts out the way. Again, we about to eat, y'all. A whole nother way to eat license plates. So what I'm doing is setting it down. Look pretty even to me. And I'm gonna take a piece of tape and tape it on both sides, just so it doesn't move on me in the process. Bam. Now we got that on there. Get a piece of my butcher paper. Put a piece of butcher paper on the bottom, platen. And I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna flip it so the paper's facing up. Another piece of butcher on top, protect the top platen. And with this, I was told to do a minute, right? So we're gonna go up. To a minute. So we at 385 for a minute. And let's see how this works, y'all. Oh. We got a minute. Y'all ain't checked out the website yet. We also have tumblers. I've been going hard on these tumblers. Make sure y'all go check the website out. These been coming out pretty swell. These the skinny tumblers, 20-ounce skinny tumblers. Quality. Prints look so good. Jack Daniels. Check out their website, y'all. Y'all get a chance. 18 seconds to go. We're gonna see how this turned out. This was the first attempt on Amazon. Let's see if we got a little better attempt on this one. I'm gonna get my gloves because this thing is smoking hot. Please be careful, y'all. Don't burn yourself. I have done it, so I'm trying to keep y'all from doing it. Get you some gloves. Take your time, get you some gloves. That turned out much better, y'all. As you can see, that one turned out pretty bright. License plates. This bitch on fire though. That's pretty good though. It's pretty good though. This boy on fire. Appreciate y'all watching. It look like it's still a little film on here. So what I probably can do is give it a little water. And wipe it off. Oh yeah, that turned out dope, actually. It had a little residue on there. Took the time to clean it off. License plate. Big difference. This was the first license plate we did. Amazon. Them license plates ain't shit. The first ones I ordered were the shit. This one, as you can see, it's a big difference. That one turned out dope. See the difference? Big difference. This one is it. Appreciate y'all for watching. New on the item, new on the list. Check out my website, www.drfeelgoodarttherapy.com. Follow me on Facebook, Feel Good. Follow me on Instagram, drfeelgoodarttherapy.com. If you need to email me, feelgood100@gmail.com. Appreciate y'all watching. Feel good about yourself. 100.